Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Rainbow Art. You are watching Rainbow Art. Here I am making to do today's tutorial is star, and this is very easy and simple, and yes, it is very beautiful. You can make it very easily, and we have to go through to my tutorial and then we have to make it. Okay, let's start it. You have to take square papers of 15 centimeter versus 15 centimeter. You have to take total 8 square papers of 2 different colors, and this is one of them. Okay, I am going to start for making one unit. Let's see it. First fold along this diagonal. Okay, now you have to fold along this diagonal like this. Okay, now unfold it. Now you have to fold like this along this line. Okay, now unfold it. Then you can unfold total like this, and then you have to fold this line opposite like this. And then you have to fold like this. Okay, then what you have to do, take this portion and this side will be going to this side, and you have to fold along this point. You have to match this portion. Actually it will going to be make 90-degree angle here. Okay, then go to the opposite side and do the same thing. Fold this side also along this point. You have to make 90-degree here, and you have to match this side. Okay, done. then go to the opposite side and then unfold this portion like this, and you have to fold this side like this. Okay, then unfold this side along this line like this. And do the same thing of the left side, to the left side like this. Okay, done. Then you have to fold this portion along like this, as okay. Then 1 unit of your star is ready. Now this is 1 unit. You have to make another 7 unit of different color. Let's see. 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total 8 unit. Okay, now let's see what I am going to do. Take 1 unit and take another unit of opposite color. Then what we have to do, we have to put this pocket, this portion along this side. Okay, let's see. First, do like this and put it here. Just like this, and you have to put it total at this point. And this angle is going to be 90 degree. Okay, I assembled 2 unit. Now I'm going to add another 7 unit, another 6 unit. Okay, then opposite color, then put this point, this portion along this side, the same thing. Please comment, share and subscribe my channel and keep supporting me. Thank you.